Out for another Jew session this afternoon. I was out yesterday afternoon and last night with Jesse from JTS Jewfish, and got one fish, an 80cm fish. And yeah, like just been outside. It's really calm outside today, and got heaps of liveys, which is really good. Anchored up in the river, and there's actually a bit of a fresh in the river over the last couple of days, and yeah, the water's like really moving. I'm fishing on the run out tide, but yeah, the tide's humping. So I've got 4 rods out, and I've got some pretty heavy sinkers on to hold the bottom. Man, I left my cable ties in Jesse's boat last night, so I've got all my circle hooks, so I couldn't yeah, put them on a bridle. So I've just punched them up through the bottom jaw and out through the top jaw, so they swim head up into the current. And anyway, rookie mistake. I'll see how the how they hook up like that tonight, I guess. So yeah, again, I'm surrounded by storms and yeah, like yeah, really bad weather out to the west, some big storm cells and that. So I'm probably going to get a wet ass again tonight, but yeah, hopefully I'm going to fish the run out, and when the tide turns, I'm actually going to try another spot I've had my eye on, and I'll try it on the run out, and probably fish up till about maybe midnight or something like that, 11 o'clock, midnight. Anyway, see how I go. Fingers crossed I'll get a couple of Jew. I'll get a big one. Jew fishing, man, you gotta be hardcore, bro. You gotta be ready for anything, mate. You know, like massive big storm front just went through, but I'm laying on the anchor, and I've got a really hard run out tide, so it's holding me against the wind, and still got the 4 rods out. They seem to be swimming okay, and yeah, all you can do is get down low on the boat, and I'm actually just sitting in the boat. I might survive it, maybe. Anyway, awesome to get a 30 kilo Jew right in the middle of a storm. That would be epic. Come on, send me one, Yui. Pinned him on the circle, look. Yeah, persevered in the weather. Huge weather front went through. Yeah, thunder, lightning, a lot of rain and wind and that, but anyway, tide's still raging out. Hit this little fella here. Can't find me brag mat. I'm not sure where it is in the boat, but he's probably about, I don't know, 65, 70, I'd say. But yeah, beautiful purple colour on him when I hit him. But yeah, that's the first one for the session. So I'm actually hoping to get 2 or 3 Jew this session. So anyway, yeah, I'll take him. Check out my wet weather gear. This is triple wet weather gear weather. Pants, jacket, another jacket over the top. Fish. Working up against the current. Down under the boat. Come back, boy. Come back, come back. Yeah, when I'm fighting these Jew, you kind of overmatch for the Jew you're catching, so I don't really like to pump them too hard to the boat, you know, get them too green. So it's pretty close. Just want to play him out a little. Better fish than the last one. Yeah, not a bad fish, better than the other one. Probably an 80, over 80. Maybe an 80. Look how purple he is. Like incredibly purple. Beautiful lateral line, silver. Yeah, man. Jewing in the rain. Let's get him on the mat and get him back. Oh yeah, that's two. Fish about 70. Fish 84. Get another one. Okay man, this is Ozfish signing off on a very wet and wild session. Yeah, I'm going home to get warm, man. I've caught 2 Jew, fish in the low 70s and a fish at 84. So pretty stoked, 2 Jew. I just hung in there really tough, trying to get a third fish, but not to be. So I'm heading home. Till next time. Taking some water on board. Oh yeah, baby.